Construction progress, Barcelona new stadium Spotify Camp Nou. As we approach the site, the atmosphere is buzzing with excitement. The construction crew is hard at work, particularly in the north goal area. We can see numerous workers collaborating to lay down the steel reinforcements, also known as ferralla. This crucial element forms the backbone of the new structure, ensuring that the new additions will be both sturdy and durable. With each passing day, the transformation is becoming more evident, and it's thrilling to witness the groundwork being laid for something monumental. The weather has been a mixed bag lately, with frequent rain showers affecting progress. While the rain is beneficial for the surrounding areas, it poses challenges for construction schedules. However, the team remains undeterred, pushing forward with their tasks. As we zoom in on some of the ongoing work, we can see workers meticulously assembling the foundations. Despite the wet conditions, they are making significant headway, preparing for the next phases of construction as they tackle the complexities of this ambitious project. Moving around the stadium, we can spot some major developments. The framework for the upper tiers is gradually taking shape, with more structural elements being installed. We also notice several cranes in operation, lifting heavy materials into place. The sound of machinery fills the air, underscoring the intensity of the work being done. It's particularly exciting to see the installation of beams that will support the roof structure. This phase is crucial, as it will pave the way for further developments, including seating arrangements that will enhance the fan experience. As we venture closer to the south goal area, the transformation becomes even more apparent. Workers are busy erecting the framework for the new seating sections. The intricate designs that will soon take form are beginning to come alive. Not only will these improvements accommodate more fans, but they will also elevate the overall atmosphere during matches. It's heartening to see that the vision for an upgraded Camp Nou is materializing, with each beam and panel being a testament to the hard work put in by everyone involved. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the scale of this project. The Camp Nou renovation is not just about expanding capacity, it's about creating a state-of-the-art venue that respects the club's rich history while embracing modernity. The dedication of the construction teams is evident, as they work tirelessly to ensure that this iconic stadium will shine brightly for years to come. That's it for today's update. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on this incredible project. Thanks for watching, and until next time.